Hi, my name is Bria Hopkins, and I'm going to be explaining question 8 on the Limits 1 exam. So, the question is asking us to use the definition of continuity to explain why the piecewise function below has a discontinuity at x equals 1. So first, to figure this out, we need to figure out the limit of continuity. So the limit of continuity states that f of x is continuous at x equals a if the limit of f of x as x approaches a is equal to f of a. Also, we know that the limit is continuous if f of a if f of a exists and if the limit from the right and the limit from the left is equal to each other. Sorry guys, I had a typo. So, moving forward, we can look at this graph and we have to determine if it's discontinuous at x equals 1. So, we're going to find the limit of the function as x approaches 1. So, looking at the graph, I can conclude that the limit as x approaches 1 is equal to 2. So, by answering the question, since we found out that f of x as x approaches 1 is equal to 2, we can conclude that the function below is not continuous because the limit of f of x is not equal to the limit of f of a. So I feel like with the test on this question, I was on the right track because I knew that the limit of the left had to be equal to the limit of the right. But making the mistake I did, I realized that students should not confuse the definition of continuity with the definition of a limit, which is basically what I did. And the concept of this question is to understand the definition of continuity and be able to apply it in finding out if something is continuous.